Hey, it's still Andrew and Min here. For the 4th of July weekend, we decided to go touch some sand in Maine. You won't believe what we found right next to the beach. Spoiler, it's a whole freaking amusement park and a ton of dead flying ants. We took a few scenic walks here and there, then we walked and walked and walked. Lots of walking. We still have the table.
The way life should be.
Fun fact, Maine changed its slogan from Vacation Land to The Way Life Should Be in the 2000s, right next to their neighbor New Hampshire with its hardcore Live Free or Die motto. We're gonna be there tomorrow. There's so many people. Oh my god.
The weatherman makes his regular cauldron for the captain, crew and all. Soon may the weatherman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the gunning is done, take our leave and go.
Oh, the breeze is so nice. Man, at first I love the west coast, the east coast of my heart.
Thank you.
It's so cute, and also, what is this?
Is that Santa Claus on a flamingo? I regret wearing jeans very much. I should swap to shorts. Thought we were gonna stop by the hotel first, but we cannot check in just yet. So here I am in black jeans. This is our very first time going on a roller coaster together. Romantic, eh? Yeah!
Take you for a ride. Love to feel the high. We can start again.
I tap out already. Bye, Min! You're about to witness Min, the adrenaline junkie, in action. Finally, a ride I can actually join. It's still circular though, so I might puke.
Yes.
getting ready for the fireworks tonight.
Happy birthday and good night, US of A.
Good morning. It's 8 a.m. and we're going to the beach today. Alright, so let's go.
It's super foggy today. Oh my goodness.
Lobster, lobster, lobster. Maine supplies nearly 90% of nation's lobster. 100 million pounds annually, or about 50,000 tons. That's a lot of seafood.
Run into the water.
These are insects.
Like a dream, a sunbeam touches shadows. It's hard to be happy when everything is fine, 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 but something's missing, sadness building. One more minute till it's gone. Sure, my mama loves me, and the house is full of friends. The world is made of ice cream. I can sing and play all day. I wanna feel the rain on my face. To smile through the tears is what makes me real.
So misty today. You can see the lighthouse somewhere over there. I think it's right here. Super, super misty. Too bad.
I've been contemplating all my time. My thoughts make me tired.
From the west coast of Oregon to the east coast of Maine, we have now visited two of the biggest portlands in the US.
Min realized that people no longer ask us ID when we buy alcohol anymore.
I think that it is not necessarily about how you look, but it's the confidence that you bring yourself with, you know.
Times of year.
Did you know that Portland, Maine was founded in 1786 and has over 500,000 people? Fun fact, there are over 25 different cities named Portland across 20 or so states. How many of them actually have a port? Now that's a real mystery.